Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi everyone. Today we're practicing at the playground sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I run to the playground.
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 I see the big slide.
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 I climb up the steps.
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 I slide down fast.
I slide down fast.
I slide down fast.
I slide down fast.
I swing on the swing.
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 I go up and down.
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 I jump very high.
I jump very high.
I jump very high.
I jump very high.
I play on the seesaw.
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 My friend is with me.
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 We play a new game.
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 I kick the red ball.
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 I throw the ball.
I throw the ball.
I throw the ball.
I throw the ball.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
The sun is very hot.
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 I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I sit on the bench.
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 I eat a small snack.
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 I watch the birds.
I watch the birds.
I watch the birds.
I watch the birds.
I see a green tree.
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 The flowers are pretty.
The flowers are pretty.
The flowers are pretty.
The flowers are pretty.
I play with my dog.
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 I run around the park.
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 I make a new friend.
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 I say hello to them.
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 I go home now.
I go home now.
I go home now.
I go home now.
Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the playground sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.